I'm Steven Slate, and I'd like to introduce you to Raven 3.0 for Logic Pro X. Now let me show you a few of the incredible features when using the Raven console, specifically with Logic Pro X. If you're using a different DAW, click here to view a playlist of our other supported DAWs. The Raven software gives you access to 24 100mm multi-touch faders with instant response on its ultra-slick and smooth nano-glide surface. Banking to more tracks is just a swipe of the finger, and I have direct access to multi-touch pans above my channels. When using the Raven mixer, I can grab a fader and then move my finger off of it and still maintain control. Then I can grab more faders across the console and have control over those as well, never having to leave the sweet spot of my mix position. I can swipe solos and mutes and even skip underneath the tracks I don't want to include just as easily. In modern workflow, so much of our volume automation relies on small and precise moves, like half dB rides on a vocal. The Raven solves this problem with a feature known as fine faders. This mode quadruples the fader resolution and allows users to move their finger a greater distance while confining the actual fader range to 1/10 of a dB increments. And the range can easily be changed to a scale that fits your needs. The mouse and keyboard are great tools for editing, but when you add in touch, it becomes way more powerful. The Raven allows users to directly touch their audio on the edit window. Incorporating the ability of touch along with the mouse and keyboard will increase the speed of your routine processes exponentially. You can incorporate both hands when moving through selections of audio. You can quickly navigate through sessions by scrolling up, down, left, and right. You can even increase the size of a selected track vertically and horizontally by toggling the Option modifier key and then using two fingers to zoom vertically and horizontally on any track you want. When drawing in automation, your finger becomes the pencil tool. It's now so quick and convenient to draw in the changes you want to your volume or pan automation. To add a plugin, I can just reach out to the available insert rack and select the plugin I want to add from my list of plugins. Once selected, the plugin loads and I make my adjustments. You don't have to turn any generic Logic controller knobs. You don't have to map out any of the plugin parameters. You just load the plugin and tweak the actual controls. If you prefer to work on the arrange window while mixing, we have included the floating mixer, making it easy to have multi-touch faders and the arrange window open simultaneously. We have also included the floating toolbar and essentials palette to make accessing more tools even easier. Users have easy access to a multitude of Raven toolbars, filled with powerful touch tools designed specifically for your DAW. The flip toolbar buttons will allow you to shift your main toolbar to other customized toolbars within a particular layout. Your console layouts are also completely customizable. Using the Customize toolbar, you can create and design your own console layouts. Once you've customized your console designs, you can save them to layouts, which can then be selected and recalled via the Raven toolbar. And finally, you can save a Raven session file to store all of your layout changes into one easy file. One of the most powerful features within the Raven software is called the batch command system. The batch command system is your new virtual assistant. It can execute up to 1,000 key commands, menu selections, and mouse clicks from a single button. And the Raven comes with 100 preset batch commands per DAW, but users can also completely customize, record, and save their own batch commands too. Let's create a batch command that will add a custom send to our selected track. I'll push and hold on an empty batch command. Now I'll hit the record button to record my process. First, I'll confirm my inspector is open, and then I'll click on an open send on the leftmost track to display the bus menu. Now I'll type the word bus and then cursor right to enter the bus list. And then I can just type the bus name I want to go to. In this example, I'll use bus 2. I'll type the word bus, then spacebar, and then number 2, and hit return. Now I'll hit record again to stop the recording, and I'll name it add bus 2 to selected track. I'll confirm the newly recorded batch command and put it into action. The batch command system is fully customizable, as you've seen. However, we have also created over 100 preset batch commands for you within the Raven software. I'll show you a few of my favorites. If I have multiple plugins open from multiple tracks and I want to copy the settings to other tracks, I can do that with a batch command. With my 5 EQs open, I'll make an adjustment to this EQ here. Now I'll hit copy open plugin 5 times, and the batch command will automatically copy and paste the adjustments to my other open EQs, closing each plugin once the changes have been made. I can customize batch commands to create, name, and color code any types of tracks I want. Let's use this customized batch command to automatically create 4 new audio tracks, name them lead vocals 1 through 4, and color code them orange. Using one button, I can copy the plugin chain from my kick track to all of my other drum tracks. I can do this from any selected track across as many tracks as I want. Your Raven software also comes with the Slate remote. This iOS app allows users to automatically synchronize their batch commands to their iPhone or iPad. The remote can be great for stepping back to gain perspective on a mix while still maintaining control of your transport, or it can simply be used to control your session without having to be near the workstation. This is great for engineers who are recording their own music in a separate room from the main system. The Raven takes away the tedious task of being a technician in the studio and allows you to be an artist, a creative. There are no more obstacles between you and your craft. Click here to find your local Raven dealer.